I can smell them too. I can smell those burning ear hairs. Ooh. Yo! Some sort of tool that looks like it would be found in the kitchen. Ooh, it turned the bubbles on now. Oh, wow, he's digging deep. Yeah. What is that? I could just post this zit popping video and it would go viral. What up, everybody? Welcome back to Islamabad, Pakistan. I was just in Murray yesterday. I planned to stay up in the mountains for at least a week, but duty calls. Now back in Islamabad, and I got some exciting news. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be appearing on Pakistani national TV. I'm gonna be interviewed by a news network called Express News. I'm so excited, super honored as well, but I can't show up on TV looking like this. No. So I'm headed to what's apparently one of the best salons, barbershops, day spas, whatever you want to call it, right here in Islamabad. And we're gonna get a little trimmed up. We're gonna get a little facial action. They're gonna take care of my hands and nails, and they're gonna have me looking G-O-O-D good for my big TV appearance tomorrow. There it is, Razors and Scissors. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Razors and Scissors? How do I get up? The stairs? Here I come. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Aapka naam kya hai? Bilal. Aapka naam? Mera naam Brent. Nice to meet you, Bilal. Nice to meet you. Oh wow, really nice place. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, really nice. There's another guy out there. Oh, so nice to meet all you.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
I have aapka naam kya hai?
Mera naam Rafiq hai.
Rafiq?
Yes.
Very cool name.
Thank you.
Mera naam Brent.
Brent.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Please come.
Oh, excellent.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be here today. He just told me I have very nice hair. Major props. Really appreciate that. We're just gonna don't freak out. We're just getting a few inches cut off, just a few centimeters. The lettuce flow will continue on. But the hair's been so long, it's been getting like stuck in my backpack every time I put it on, and it just gets kind of a tangled mess. So just gonna take a little bit off. Ooh, but I think we're gonna get maybe the shave first. All right, my man Bilal here, just starting to comb through the hair. Said it's very long and curly, very nice. This guy's just showering me with compliments. How long have you been cutting hair?
Here is 3 years.
3 years.
And almost 8 years.
8 years?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, so 3 here, but 8 years
3
altogether.
yes.
Wow. How am I looking, y'all? I kind of look like a dollar store Game of Thrones character, I think. Yo, Bilal here just told me that famous YouTube vloggers, World Nomac, and Harry Jagger came here as well. I knew they did a video on Engents, that's what kind of inspired me to go there, but did not know they went to Razors and Scissors as well. Small world. The guy's got good taste. The vloggers know where to go. Razors and Scissors. This is a spot. My man's trying to get the tangles out. Really dry. Yeah, I just conditioned and washed before I came here to try to make it a little more pliable. That's a good look right here. That's how I'm gonna show up to the TV interview. What's up, everybody? Wow, truly look like a rock star. More like an aging, fading rock star with this haircut. Man, oh. Getting those tangles. Okay, the cut is complete. My man's just doing a little bit of brushing here, getting everything straightened out. A lot of split ends. He was like Edward Scissorhands over here. Chopping it off. All right, it's time to trim up the old beard and the old nose neighbor. My man got the clippers out here, combing through those tangles first, and nothing feels better than a shave. A beard trim feels so good, man. Oh, Bilal's an absolute pro. He's taking care of those wily eyebrows too. Oh yeah. Tame those bad boys. Lock them away in a zoo. All right, it's time for the straight razor shave. He's dabbing me up with, is this like shave gel?
Yes, it's shaving gel.
Shave gel, okay. Ooh, it's very cool and soothing. Feels nice. Ice cubes. Look at this lineup. You are an artist, man. You can set your watch to that line. Perfect. What do we got here? Oh,
Nose trimmer.
little nose trimmer. Okay, digging for gold.
Very long.
He said I have very long hair. My man Bilal tells me that I have some ear hair going on. Didn't know I have ear hair. Just another sign that I'm getting older and my body is rapidly decaying. Instead of like plucking the hairs or trimming, he's gonna do something a little different. He said he's gonna go grab his lighter. Apparently he's gonna light my ear hairs on fire. A little nervous? Okay, I'm gonna stand completely still while he's doing this. Oh, it's so hot, I can feel it. What is going on? What is going on? Ah! Feels like a bad idea. Oh my God. He said very good. Oh, wow, wow, wow. He's, oh. It's not painful. Just feels a little warm. No. Oh, man. Little bonfire in my ear going on, huh?
Yes.
This is nuts. Never had anything like this done. Ah! Oh, I can see him start to spark too. Yeah, you're getting him. Wow. This is some real deal Pakistani barbershop life, y'all. Never had anything like this. Whoa. Wow. I'm going to be able to hear in 3D now. Man. Oh, I can smell him too. I can smell those burning ear hairs. Ooh. Oh, I can hear him crackling too and sizzling. That was, oh, he's even pulling his mask down. He's disgusted by the smell. All right, haircut, beard trimmed, ear hairs singed to a crisp. It's now time for the facial. Time to get smooth and shiny for those cameras tomorrow, am I right? Do your best to make me look 10 years younger, please, please. Oh yeah, the eye things. Ooh, oh, cool. Very relaxing. It smells very nice. Definitely doing like a deep tissue massage in my face. Yeah. Love this. Oh my God, y'all. This is, whoa. That was all on my face? Horrifying. I'm a filthy, disgusting creature. Yuck. Ah, this is the oxygenating facial. Ooh, okay, that's kind of like foamy. Oh, infused with that oxygen. Give me all of it. Desperate for some oxygen. Okay, we're about halfway through the facial. Feels great. He's doing like a massage on my face. He's moving the skin all around, getting that oxygen flowing, I guess you could say. I don't really spend much time massaging my face, so this is nice. And ooh, he's getting the ears too. Hey, here we go. Ah. Ooh, okay, what is this piece of machinery that's firing up?
This is a steamer.
Steamer. Oh, so you're gonna steam my face.
Yes.
Get out all those imperfections. Are you gonna do like the? Do you like extract the pimples and zits? Is that?
It's like your whiteheads and blackheads.
Ah, okay. Yes. Yeah, extraction time. Love that. Digging deep. And this feels like a scrub, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of like a abrasive, like it's got little pieces of sand in it. Scraping off more of that dead, dusty, and dirty skin. Ah. How we looking so far, everybody? Has he turned back the clock? Does it look like I could star in the next High School Musical or maybe an episode of Euphoria? Call my agent. Tell him I'm available for all high school and teen roles. Okay, here comes the steamer, and he told me to close my eyes for it, so we're gonna keep them shut. Ooh, it's bubbling up like a humidifier. Oh, can you see that steam coming off it? Oh, this is gonna feel so nice. All right, here we go. Oh wow, hello. Oh yeah, feels great.
Your voice is changed.
Yeah, it gives my voice this cool echo effect in here. Echo.
Your next step is a little bit painful.
Ah, okay, we're on to the painful part. Bring it on, baby, bring it on. Can tolerate it. After all that comfort and relaxation, I guess a little pain is warranted. But yeah, let's clean up the old blackheads and the whiteheads here. Oh, cool, you've got the tool, the metal extraction thing. Man, I could just post this zit popping video and it would go viral. Here we go. Oh, hello. Ooh, very interesting. Oh,
Too much whiteheads.
no, it's too many whiteheads. Oh God. Oh wow, look at that. That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh, it feels good though. It feels good.
Feels good.
Yes. I'm very excited to watch this video to see what it looks like. see how many zits are popping. Definitely tearing up a little bit. Some eyes watering. Whew. A lot of whiteheads though, huh? A lot of them?
Yes.
A lot of them.
Whiteheads. This is nose strip.
Nose strip, okay. Clean off all the gunk that just popped out of me. There's a lot of gunk. Oh yeah. There we go. Shani, what's your favorite Pakistani food, man? Karai, okay. They both said karai is their favorite. I've had chicken karai. I've had mutton karai. What do you like better?
Chicken karai.
But my man over here says beef karai is his favorite. With the fat and the desi ghee. Yeah. Okay, here comes the big reveal. Oh, wow, that was very fast, unexpected. Like a piece of Scotch tape. Oh, yeah, ooh, okay. A lot of hairs. Well, a lot of hairs.
Blackheads.
A lot of blackheads. More hairs than blackheads. Dang, I didn't know I had such a hairy nose. Wow, human beings are absolutely just disgusting. All right, my man is pulling out some sort of tool that looks like it would be found in the kitchen. Looks like something you might whip up like a souffle with or some cookie dough or something. I have not seen that device before, but okay. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I can hear it. It's zapping electricity. I'm gonna close my, oh, hello. So it's using like electricity on my skin. Oh, hello. A little zap in there. Oh, wow, shocking. Oh, hello. Okay, now I definitely feel it. Wow. It almost sounds like one of those bug zappers. Ooh, hello. Oh, man. I feel like that Spider-Man villain, Electro. Is that his name? Ooh, this is a thick one. Is this a mask?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ooh, this one smells good too. Like a flower garden. All right, say what up to Shawnee. Here we go. It is Mani Pedi time. There you go. Zoom in. Take those screenshots now. Okay, put it in.
Yes, yes.
Okay, one in. Oh yeah. Not too hot. It's vibrating. I like that. The bottom of it has kind of like a bunch of bumps on it, so I feel like it was kind of like massage and then kind of like scrape your feet a little bit to get that dead skin off. Okay. Oh, very nice. Ooh, it turned the bubbles on now. Getting nice and hot. Wow, those bubbles. This is about to overflow. Okay, my hand is going in here into this cold mixture. Oh, wait, and one foot is going up here with a side of extra bubbles on it. Yeah. Don't mind the sparks flying as he clips those. Okay, he has removed my hand from the, I don't know, watery, soapy disinfectant mixture. What's it? And now the clipping begins. Wow, just incredible service over here. One man taking care. Oh, wow, he's digging deep. Yeah. What is that? What? Oh, man, cool. He's digging deep, and we got my man over here. Clipping away. Wow, 5 stars. 5 stars, Google review, TripAdvisor. Oh, man, this guy is digging for gold and putting that foot. My man over here pushing the cuticles back. This guy's got something that looks like a potato peeler. Okay, yeah. Scrape it up. Oh, wow. Is that snow falling? Oh, man.
It's cutting potato.
It's what?
Potato.
Potato, yeah. Oh, my God. Wow, all that dead skin. Wow, falling down. Ugh. Boy. I don't know if I'm ever going to look at myself again the same after this video, and you might look at me different. Man, I promise I'm not this gross. All right, my man over here is now administering the hand massage. Ultimate relaxation here. A lot of pleasure and a little bit of pain. I can't front. Digging around some of the toes and then the blackhead extraction. All part of the process, though a small price to pay. They asked me if I wanted shine. For a second, I thought it looked like nail polish because the bottle it came, but I was like, yeah, make them shine. Why not? Ooh, okay, definitely like a very like super strong like acetone like smell to it. My guy over here fine tuning the nails while friend over here takes care of the foot massage, working that lotion in. He also does a little calf massage too, pulling on the pinkies, pulling on the toes, getting everything nice and stretched out. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Oh yeah. Wiping away all that stress. This feels so funny to me. All right, we're going with a little hair wash and then the face wash. A little chilly. Water just a little chilly. They washed off the mask and now we're doing some face wash. Man, full service indeed. And that's that. What do we think of the finished results? Hair feels good, face feels good, hands feel good, feet feel good. Man, you look good, you feel good, you play good, they pay good.
Yes.
Thank you so much to Bilal and the rest of the team here at Razors and Scissors. You guys absolutely crushed it. This is one of the best salon, spa, barbershop experiences of my life, y'all. You really killed it. My name's Brent Timm from Razors and Scissors here in Islamabad, Pakistan, and I'm saying ciao for now.